Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning. Maayong buntag sa tanan. And happy days, happy days. Almost 2 weeks na akong walang 15 minutes walk. Kaya, ayan ko lang. Dito lang tayo. Kasi naka-holiday pa ako. So, it's already 10 to 8. Bababa na naman ako. At mag-toilet bago pumunta kay nanay. Yun lang everyone. Shout out sa aking magulong kwarto. Hindi ko pala to kwarto, pero kwarto ng anak ko to, pero inukupo ka na. Kasi nga ayaw bumalik ng anak ko. So ayun lang everyone, update later again. Today is sorry. Today is Wednesday, 19th of March, and our weather for today is partly cloudy, kaya medyo malamig. And then the highest is 15 and the lowest is 1. So at the moment it's 4. You feel 4 degrees this morning. Okay, bye-bye. See you later.
The bridge has proved less easy to bend out of shape.
What is the weather today? Alexa, what is the weather today?
In London, it's 3 degrees Celsius with clear skies and sun. Today, you can expect lots of clouds, with a high of 16 degrees and a low of 3 degrees.
Thank you. Ito na si Inay. Good morning. Anong araw po ngayon? Miyerkules. Tama. Very good. Ayan everyone, nandito na ako sa baba.
Nakakain ka na.
You are all I need. Jesus, you're all I need. Banyo Queen. Banyo Queen time, everyone. Time check is 8:30 in the morning of Wednesday. No, hindi kita papakita. Good morning! Breakfast ni nanay. Ang nutrients ng ano nga yan? Favorite niya kasi yan, kiwi. Pag lunch, binilang ko siya ng pears, kaya mamayang lunch. And me, ang walang kamatayang pizza. Ano to? Tuna pizza. Sarado pa yung TV. DP time kay nanay. Bakit ganyan ang sandal mo? Yan. Angat-angat. Tingnan natin. Shout out kay Sister Aida. Kinain ko na at ininom ko na. Hindi nga ayaw dalhin. Sa trabaho niya, pumasok na siya. Iniwan ko, so bumili pa po si Luwan. Tatanong ko, ha? Bio time. Bio time. Si mother nasipunin. My love, while I'm laba-laba tayo with matching hair dryer, everyone. Lunch niya. Lunch niya now. Lagyan ko tong asin. Baka kulang ka na sa asin. Ha? Konti lang. Ha? Masarap kaya yun. Parang singkamas. Pears. Lunch break. While watching tango. Good afternoon, everyone. Ganda ng langit. Grabe, oh. 15:48. Pasok tayo. Tapos, ang ganda ng araw. Oh, diba? Ayun lang, everyone. At, huwag nang pagtagal-tagalin pa. At, marami pa akong gagawin. Medyo malayo pa ang lakad ko. Ayan. At, mag-train tayo. See you in 2 trains. After 2 trains. At Arcade, everyone. See you. Work at work. Work and home. That's it. Everyone. And ayun. God bless and good luck to all of us. Ding everyone. Anong oras na, day? Ay, wag nating sabihin ng ang baho. Yan, papunta kami ng train station na. Kasi uwian time. Ito ang gabi. Ang gabi dito sa Yuki. Dito sa Algate yan. This is it, pansit. Ayan, oh. Yan, oh, Algate Station na, oh. Parang masarap ang ice cream. I love ice cream. Good evening, everyone. Dito na ako sa aming bahay. Kain tayo, everyone. Dinner. I mean, hungry bird na talaga ako, everyone. And while watching YouTube, kakain tayo. Mag-dinner tayo, everyone. And then after that, good night, God bless, and I love you all. Sinigang.